forget about waiting 40 weeks to find out the sex of your baby. Practically since the beginning of time, moms-to-be and the people who love them have come up with ways to try to figure out if that boy in the oven is a girl or boy. There are many traditional beliefs about how parents-to-be can find out the sex of their baby before the birth. The baking soda gender test is an easy, cost-effective method. But does it work? People may not want to rely on the results of this test. But there is also no harm in trying it. However, there are many other conclusive ways for expectant parents to determine the sex of their unborn child. How to do the baking soda gender test. A woman who wants to try this must collect her urine in a clean container first. Time she uses the bathroom in the morning. This first morning urine must be used for the test, because the woman's urine may become diluted and she drinks fluid throughout the day. It is important to wash the hands thoroughly before collecting urine. To collect the urine, a woman can squat over the toilet and hold the container under her while releasing a small amount of urine. The next step is to add an equal amount of baking soda to the urine and look for whether the urine freezes and remains the same. Some signs and symptoms. How's your tummy holding up? Vomiting, nauseous and spending half your days in the toilet? It's a girl. Feeling okay? Then it's a boy. Check your hands. Dry, cracked and feeling like a snake? It's a boy. Soft and smooth? It's a girl. What was boob's heart rate? When you had your daddy scan, you probably were allowed to listen to boob's heart rate. If it was over 140 beats per minute, then it said you're having a girl. If the pump were less than 140, then it's a boy.